Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, January 30th, 2018. Well, folks, just like the last few days, I've come on and done these videos to show you how you can learn to profit on the intraday chart based off technical support. This is utilizing the PPT methodology, the proprietary methodology here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. My goal in these videos is to teach you how I make these trades, show you the exact technical reasons why I'm buying something or shorting something, and then you guys can ultimately go and replicate. So this morning in the intraday stock chat, we had 3 more trades. Yesterday we had 3, Friday we had 3. So far we're 9 for 9. 3 winners Friday, 3 winners Monday, 3 winners Tuesday. Okay, I want to show you the ones from today just like I showed you the ones from yesterday. I want to show you the technical reasoning behind it and how we ultimately made profits. Okay, so right off the bat, the first trade, or at least one of the 3 trades, in no particular order, was the spiders, the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF here. This was a very easy trade, folks. The market was flushing down here, so you could see 1, 2, 3 bar surge, 1, 2, 3 reds, and what we saw was we were going into this pivot low here, which was the pivot low going back to last week, and then this point of support. So see how you have the top here and the retrace there? And anytime you see a top here, right, so you ran up into this level and you pulled back, that means this is a pivot point. All right, and then what happened was you broke through, and notice how you retraced into that level. All right, that gave you a firm basis of support. So what did we end up doing, folks? We bought right in this mixing area here, and we picked up the spiders, and we ultimately made, I think, about 40 cents or so, give or take a little bit there on a quick scalp. Now, ultimately, the market went much, much higher, but as a day trader, I'm just in and out. I want to be quick. I want to be stealthy. I want to make money just very quickly, in seconds essentially, in seconds to minutes. You want to be in and out of that trade. And ultimately, you have to understand that you're looking at the 3-bar surge here. Okay, you have the even number of 282 getting pierced, so there's an even number factor at 3-bar surge, and then you have 1 pivot and 2 pivots, so you know either here or here you're going to have a baseline. What I did was I bought just on a pierce of the first level a little bit, and then I bought at the second level as well, giving me a perfect average right here, and then look at the bounce to the upside. Beautiful little trade there. And again, ultimately as a day trader, remember, you need to have at least $25,000 in your day trading account for the government, or essentially the governing bodies, to allow you to day trade. And most people have a little bit more than that, but you can do almost all of these trades and make literally $500 to $1,000+ a day just doing these trades on a small account like that. $25,000 today. If you had an account of $25,000, you'd be allowed to day trade $100,000 worth of stock in and out. You could have easily made $1,000 today, $1,000 yesterday, and $1,000 Friday on the 3 trades that I gave out. Not hard at all. So that was the first trade of the day. The next one was a lot of fun, folks. The next one was Apple. This one we bought right at the start of the day. I knew this level ahead of time. I told the chat room ahead of time. And remember, I'm on a microphone in this intraday stock chat. So I'm telling people, I say, guys, we're buying here. Put your order right below this even number. The even number was 165 Pierce. And I'm going to show you why I knew this. Well, first of all, you have a time count to the downside coming into a time count. Second of all, you had the 165 even number, which even number plays are very important when it coincides with a secondary level. And then your third factor here was this pivot high. This former pivot high put a trend line right there, and what do you get? Look at the low today. And we bought this at 164.85, and it literally bounced 80 cents to $1 in literally 60 seconds to 90 seconds. So again, just think about even just doing 1,000 shares of this, 1,000 shares, even 800 shares, whatever it may be. You're literally making $500 to $800 in 60 to 90 seconds. 60 to 90 seconds. Incredible. Just let me take a quick breather here to mention we have this special. We're only running to the end of the year. A bunch of our chat members are taking advantage of it. Basically, we're giving you a $600 discount on a year subscription to the intraday stock chat. So basically 2 months free if you pay for the year. And again, got to get involved, folks. Email support@InTheMoneyStocks.com. Literally 99% of our intraday stock chat has already taken advantage of it because they know that they're going to consistently make money every single day in the intraday stock chat following us. And ultimately, it's a no-brainer to save $600 by getting 2 months free by doing that. So email support@InTheMoneyStocks.com. Say you want to get this bonus, the chat room year bonus. We'll hook it up. Our back office will take care of you. Save you $600, and you'll be in the chat room with us on every day you want to be in. You log in, You see my charts, you hear my exact entries, my exact exits. You make money with us. All right, folks, it's awesome stuff. Lastly, I played Scott's Miracle Grow today, folks. This was an awesome trade here. First of all, look at the stock breaking down. You had a beautiful downward move here. This is the daily chart. Downward in spirit of bearish pattern right here that told you it was going to go lower. Sure enough, it did go way lower, and you crashed all the way down. What I looked at here was the 90 even number, and I said to myself, okay, you're down huge on the day. You're nearing the 90 even number. Is there a level at 90 or just below we can buy? And the answer was yes. The answer was right here. All right, let me try to get this trend line as accurately as possible. See right here? So you had a pivot point, pivot point, pivot point. You pierced it, you came back in, then you broke out. So this is kind of the same thing as what I showed you on the spiders, on the first portion. It's the same type of trade. You have an even number. You have an oversold chart, way down, huge, negating literally months, 6 months of upside in Scott's Miracle Grow. And you were coming into a pivot point, former breakout level. Former breakouts, which are resistance until they break out, are now major supports. Major supports. And sure enough, it came in. We bought at a pierce of 90. And intraday, if I flip over to the intraday, you can see the bounce that occurred. Really right here. So we bought right down here. You had the bottoming tail here. And then it rallied up all the way back to almost 91. We basically ended up making, I think I ended up making about 60 to 70 cents on this trade as well. So again, just think about this. 1,000 shares, another $600 to $700. So I mean, listen, not everyone would do 1,000 shares. Maybe you didn't feel comfortable to do 1,000 shares. If you just did 500, you made 1,000 to $1,500 today. If you did 1,000, you probably made about $3,000 today on the trades. I mean, it's incredible, folks. This day trading market, we haven't seen this good of a day trading market in a long time. I mean, really for the last year plus, where the markets have just kind of ground higher over and over again, it's kind of frankly been a shitty market to day trade because you don't get the volatility. But you know what? Look at the VIX. The VIX 12 to 15 right now versus where it's been most of last year, which was 9 to 10. I mean, that's telling you there's volatility is back. Day traders are going to score big here. As much as I love cryptocurrencies and think they're very interesting, those are right now not even as good. Because they're riskier. You have day trades here. You know the technical levels. The stocks aren't as wacky. This is where it's at. Day trading, folks. Day trading is where it's at. Swing trading is also, I also closed out a winner in the swing trade. I bought SDow yesterday, which was a short on the Dow, 3 times over on the ETF front. Picked up 5% between yesterday and today. Easy 5% in my swing trade portfolio. I also sold my VXX calls. I had bought calls at the beginning of the year on the VXX, sold them for a 33% profit. So that's the by the way, just to give you a heads up, we have the intraday stock chat, we have the research center. So intraday stock chat is day trading, research center swing trading, and options are obviously options. Winners in all of them across the board today. And this market's back, folks. I'm telling you, the volatility is going to be awesome for options alerts. The volatility is going to be great for swing trading. And obviously, as you guys have seen in this video, day trading is just fantastic. So come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Remember, there's a free trial to the chat room, free trial to the research center, no free trial to the options. I mean, the options, you're going to score big. And if we hit a couple, you make literally tons of money on options. So, again, no free trial there. But nonetheless, check us out, guys. Join. Take advantage of that chat deal, guys. I'm telling you, it ends literally tomorrow. At the end of tomorrow, it's done. The chat deal is done. Got to get involved. Talk to you later, guys. Take care.